Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to buy your first stock on Cash App. Okay, this is the home screen on Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. I have a tutorial link down below that gives an overview of the entire app if you want to see that. But basically you're going to have a wallet balance here, and you need to fund this balance, and then you're going to be able to spend this balance with either your Cash App card, or you can send it to friends, or you can invest it. So here we are on the investing screen. Up at the top you'll see stocks and Bitcoin. You want to be on stocks. You'll see a nice little chart here for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and all time. When we scroll down below that, it'll give an overview of the total amount you've invested and the total amount you've gained. We've got some news here, and then here's your portfolio. If you haven't purchased a stock yet, this will look a little bit different up here. You won't have a chart yet, but as soon as you make your first purchase, this chart will come into action. Also remember, stock market is only open during business hours, Monday through Friday. So if you try to purchase outside of those hours, it'll just have you schedule the purchase instead. So you won't have a portfolio yet, but you'll have a following list most likely of just popular stocks that Cash App recommends. If you want to search for something, you can go to the top right corner, tap the search icon, search for whatever you want like Apple. Tap on that. You'll be able to view a chart right here of Apple, their performance over various time periods, your total investment, your total gained, news on Apple, the amount of shares you own, share price, company value, all of this good information. Now all you need to do to invest into Apple, and remember when you do this, you become a partial owner of the company. That's super cool. A lot of people don't understand what stocks are. Basically you're buying a share of the company, so you're a partial owner. So you can tap buy. You can buy as little as $1. That's not going to give you a whole share, but I could tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, I invested $1 into Apple. I would be a partial owner of Apple. That's what that means. And if the share price seen here goes up in value, my investment goes up in value. If the share price goes down, my investment goes down. If I wanted to buy one whole share, I would need to buy $136. So let's go back here. Let's go ahead and buy a whole share of something. I'll show you how that looks. So let's buy a whole share of GoPro. You know, this is a pretty affordable stock. A single share is $8.84. So let's scroll up here, tap the buy button, tap the 3 dots. Let's just type in $9. You could type $8.84 and that will probably give you a whole share. It might come up a little bit short, but let's just go 9. We'll definitely get a full share this way. Tap next. Scan my fingerprint. Tap confirm. Tap done, and just like that, we've got a whole share of GoPro. Remember, these are a little bit volatile, so they'll go up and down right away. That's why it says I've lost 1 cent. We can scroll down here, see shares owned, 1.017. So that's how you would buy an entire share of a stock, but you can invest as little as $1 into pretty much any type of company that you're interested in. And as you saw, it literally takes like 10 seconds to buy the stock. I have tons of other Cash App tutorials for stocks and Bitcoin on my channel if you want to see those. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.